Building websites can be incredibly fun. You get to design how things look and work. But as your websites grow bigger, things can get messy. Imagine losing a piece of a puzzle. Frustrating, right? That's what it's like trying to build a website with disorganized files. It's like trying to make a cake without a recipe. This is why knowing how to organize your code files is super important. When you keep your code neat and tidy, it's easier to find what you need. This makes fixing problems and adding new features much smoother. It's like having all the ingredients for your cake laid out and ready to go. Plus, when you work with others, good organization helps everyone understand your code better. So let's learn how to save and organize your code files like a pro. This will make your web development journey a whole lot smoother and more enjoyable. Before we start building, we need to know our building blocks. In web development, our building blocks are files with different extensions. Think of file extensions like labels on boxes. They tell your computer what's inside each box. In web development, we use three main file extensions: HTML, CS, and JS. These stand for Hypertext Markup Language, Cascading Style Sheets, and JavaScript. HTML files are like the skeleton of our website. They tell the browser what content to show, like text, images, and videos. CSS files are like the clothes and makeup. They make our website look pretty by controlling colors, fonts, and layout. JS files are like the brains. They add interactivity and make our website come alive with animations and cool effects. Now that we know our file types, let's create them. You can use a simple text editor like Notepad, or a more powerful code editor like VS Code. VS Code is like a supercharged Notepad with helpful features for coding. It's like having a special recipe book for websites. First, open your preferred editor. To create an HTML file, type some basic HTML code. Then go to File and then Save As. Name your file index.html and make sure to select HTML in the file type drop-down. This tells your computer that this is an HTML file. Click Save. You can create CSS and JavaScript files the same way. Just remember to save them with the correct extensions, CSS for CSS and JS for JavaScript. We have our files, but they need to work together. We do this by linking them in our HTML file. It's like telling the HTML skeleton where to find its clothes and brains. To link your CSS file, add this line inside the section of your HTML. This tells the browser to apply the styles and style.cs to your website. To link your JavaScript file, add this line just before the closing tag in your HTML. This tells the browser to run the JavaScript code in script.js on your website. And that's it! You now know how to create, save, and link HTML, CS, and JavaScript files. Now go build something amazing!